Hey guys, what's happening? How to send crypto from Kraken to Metamask. Go ahead and open up your browser. Make sure to log in using your Metamask account, right? And select the crypto that you want to receive the funds from. And basically, I'm gonna go to the Kraken, right? Because I already have an account and I already set up my account there. And I'm gonna wait for a few moments. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and select my portfolio to check on my assets. So scroll a little bit down and select the crypto, let's say fetch AI, and then click the three dots at the top right, and then hit withdraw. Okay, and now what you're gonna do is select the amount, okay, and then add new address. Okay, so I'm gonna add my address, which I copied from Metamask, and then hit continue to verify your address, and you're gonna be able to and you're gonna receive the crypto in a matter of seconds. So that's been on the comments. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next time.